Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Chandrani Datta and today we are going to discuss about diabetic care. We all know that India is the diabetic capital of the world. So let's talk about the things that you should do if you're a diabetic, or if you know somebody who has diabetes, or if you're caring for somebody who is a diabetic. Okay, so let's go. So here are the few things that I want you to do. So the first and the foremost thing that we all like to talk about or we all like to discuss is diet. So what is a proper diabetic diet? A proper diabetic diet means less carbohydrates and also less of proteins. So your intake of sugar, especially processed sugar, has to go down. Okay, very important thing when it comes to diet is that you should not skip your meals. If you don't take your food but you take your medication, your sugar level will fall very down, and your doctor might have also told you that a high sugar is still manageable, but when your sugar goes very low and there is nobody to take care of you or to notice that something is wrong, then a very low sugar level can be very dangerous. Coming to second thing is, now that you're a diabetic or you know somebody with diabetes, regular monitoring of your sugar levels has to be your priority, because a doctor can help you with medications, a doctor can help you saying that what is good for you and what is not, but you have to monitor your sugar levels. So if you are a newly diabetic or if you're an uncontrolled diabetic, the best thing to do is keep a journal. Keep a journal and write down your sugar readings. Your sugar levels can go through the roof. So what you should be consistent with is your medications. Do not skip your medications. When you're going on a holiday, please carry your medications with you. I know it's no fun, but if you fall sick when you're on your vacation, that is more of a mood spoiler. Fourth thing is that if you're a diabetic and you're taking diabetic medications, you have to be aware of certain side effects. Dizziness, there is excessive sweating, there is a blackness appearing in front of your eyes. Whenever you try to get up, you feel extremely weak or extremely dizzy, extreme sleepiness. These are the symptoms of low blood sugar levels. Okay, you should immediately consume something. Don't try to get up, don't try to move around. Okay, please sit down, eat something, take a rest, and then proceed. Concentrate on weight loss. When I say concentrate on weight loss, I don't mean go to the gym right away. What I mean is that start small. Take walks. Go on 15 minutes walks every day. Increase it to 30 minutes, then to 45 minutes. Start with something as small as doing yoga. It'll help you reduce your weight and you will be shocked to see your diabetes coming under control. Now coming to the complications that you might face due to diabetes. If you have a very good sugar control, you may not have anything to worry about. But it's better to take precautions than being sorry later. The very common complications that we see in diabetics is diabetic foot. Now it is something that is very preventable. It starts with discoloration of your foot. So what happens? Your skin in your foot or your leg, it starts to become a little hard. It starts to become changing its color. So if you compare your one foot with the other, you will see that the difference in your affected foot is much more darker than your normal foot. How do you care for your foot? You have to keep your foot clean and you have to keep them very dry. Okay? If you have got any kind of wound, any kind of cuts or any kind of trauma anywhere in your body, make sure that they heal well. If they are taking too much time healing, too much time than normal, you should visit a doctor, because in diabetes, healing takes a lot of time. So if you get it checked prior to anything complicated happening, then it's better, because it should not get infected. If you're not keeping a diabetic journal, if your daily lifestyle doesn't permit it, then what you can do is you can get a 6-monthly HbA1c test done. Now, what is a HbA1c test? HbA1c test shows you that how your sugar levels has been in the last 3 months. Okay, so I hope you take care of yourself and you take care of your loved ones. I will see you soon the next time. Thank you.